Hi, this is Alejandro from Spotahome Madrid, and I'm gonna show you a really nice one-bedroom apartment. It is located in Calle Molinos, which is close to Estrecho metro station, but also you have not far away at all Tetuan and Alvarado, and also Cuatro Caminos. It's not, you can walk there. So it's a really cool area to live, and let's check it out. Alright, that's the main door of the apartment, and as we get in, here we have a mirror, and okay, take a look here. Alright, so okay, here you have like a little dining area with this table and 3 chairs. That's the kitchen, I'll show you in a minute. And this side we have this couch. This is the living room. All right, with this couch, that painting right there, and that's an interior patio, like the building's interior patio. All right. Okay, it's the same view as the bedroom also. Okay. So up here you have air conditioning, some cabinets for your stuff right there also, and here. All right, and now let's take a look at the kitchen, and that's the kitchen, and that's how it looks like when everything's closed. But let's open some cabinets here. All right, so once we have everything opened, you get a better idea. All right, that's the fridge. Up there you have microwave, and there you have sink, stove, and down there you have a washing machine and also dryer. All right, okay. Let's take a look now at the bedroom. All right. Okay, so up here you have another air conditioning. All right, and okay, that's the window, the same view as the living room, and you have a double bed right here. Okay, a nightstand right there with 3 drawers, and a really big built-in closet right here. Okay, with some storage space up there. Let's see the other side. Okay, all right, and you have the bathroom inside of the bedroom. Okay, let's take a look. Hi, and okay, take a look. All right, so here we have the sink, as you can see, toilet right there, bidet, and shower. Okay, and that's it. Well, thanks for watching. This is Alejandro from Spotahome Madrid, and see you next time. Bye.